Welcome back, everybody, and good morning from Dali. Dali is a popular tourist destination in Yunnan province in southern China. I decided to take a long weekend and take a little vacation, so I got here yesterday and I was hanging out in the ancient town pretty much all last night, and today I thought I'd do some hiking. Most of the hiking that I've done in China has been disappointing. A lot of the natural tourist spots here in China, that I've been to at least so far, have been really commercialized. You have to pay an entrance fee, which I don't mind that, but you have to pay an entrance fee. There's usually restaurants, people selling their wares, there's escalators, elevators, cable cars, things like that. And it's just a little too commercial for me. It's not real hiking, or at least not what I consider real hiking. But right now I'm at this place. I don't know the first Chinese character of the name, so I don't know how to pronounce it. But it's Cangshan something Mountain, just near Dali. And there is an entrance fee, which I don't mind paying because they have to maintain the parks. But there's a couple cable cars here. There's people down at the bottom. You can choose to ride a horse up if you want, so it is a little commercialized. I mean, it's not a natural hiking spot that you just wander off to like I'm used to back in the US, but it's pretty nice so far. It's pretty quiet. I've only seen one person on the trail so far, but we'll check it out. I hope you enjoy the hike. There's literally graves everywhere around here, which is strange, but it's really peaceful. This actually might be the most peaceful place that I've been in China so far, mostly because there's no noise. I mean, I can hear music in the background because there's a guy down the trail doing some Tai Chi or some soft Qigong this morning, but it's not packed with people, which most places in China are packed with people. So it's kind of a nice surprise. Lucky Moon Restaurant. Pancakes, eggs, cakes, etc. Fried noodles with veggie. Fried rice with egg. 20 meters. Sounds good. This must be Songhe Temple. Or Zhonghe. Not sure how to pronounce it. Public restrooms in China. This will be an adventure. I may edit this footage out. You probably don't want to see it. I had a great time. It's an amazing place, amazing views, and I enjoyed the peace and quiet. I did see quite a few tourists, but nothing like the other places that I've hiked in China. So it was really enjoyable and something I really needed just to be by myself. Like right now I can't hear anything, just the breeze through the trees, and there's nobody out here. I haven't seen anybody for probably 45 minutes or so. I'm assuming I'm going the right way. I'm going down. I guess that's the main thing. I'm going down toward Dali, and that's where my hostel is, so must be going the right way. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be sure to post more. I'll be in Dali for a couple more days and plan to do a couple more videos while I'm here. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time.